What do we see first? A girl sitting on a chair or a girl and chair separately? If we are a human, then of course we would have seen a girl sitting on a chair together. This psychology of seeing things as a whole instead of individual element is called Gestalt psychology. Gestalt psychology emerged in early 20th century in Germany and Austria. In German language, Gestalt means configuration and pattern. This psychology lays down the principles of visual perceptions. Let us see what are the 6 principles of Gestalt theory. There are major 6 principles of Gestalt theory. The first one is figure and ground. The second one is similarity. Third is proximity or common region. Fourth is continuity. Fifth is closure. And last is symmetry and order. Let's discuss each of them one by one. So the first principle is figure and ground. This rule states that whenever any person sees a figure, they either see the foreground or the background of that figure. So what it is trying to say is that whenever we see any work of art, either we see the background of that art or the foreground of that art. This can be explained by the pictures given below. Let's take the first picture. Suppose someone sees that picture, some might see the apple or some might see the man with the specs. Similar is the case in the second picture also. On the first side, some might see the vase or some might see the 2 faces. Designers and artists play with this figure and ground principle to create interesting piece of works. Let us see some examples. This is the logo of Hope for Children initiative. This has been created on figure ground principle. In the background we can see the image of a child and a mother, and in the foreground we can see the map of the African continent. This is the logo of FedEx. The designer has creatively used the figure and ground principle and utilized the space between E and X to create an arrow symbol. This arrow has become a unique feature of this logo. Now let's move to the next principle of Gestalt theory. The next principle of the Gestalt theory is similarity. So what is similarity? In simple words, it means that whenever we see a similar things, we try to group them together. Similarity can be because of shapes, sizes, colors, or other things. Let us understand with examples. In this picture, one column is of squares and another column is of circles. They are of different shapes, but they look similar because of their color. This is because of the principle of similarity. Let's see another example. In this picture, all the columns are of squares, but however, they don't look similar because of the color. Each column is having a different color, hence, being of the same shape, still they do not look similar. In this web page, the designer has used similar shapes to highlight the similar components in the web page. Similarity principle is used very much in designing any digital web pages. It is very important principle of Gestalt theory. Next principle of Gestalt is proximity or close region. This principle states that things which are kept close to each other looks more related than the things which are kept apart. Let's understand with an example. In the image given beside, a group of 3 birds sitting together are looking more related to each other than the bird which is sitting apart. Let's see with more examples. In this image, the description of any item is written close to that image so that they look related to each other. Now let's understand what closed region is. This rule is very similar to the proximity. It states that whenever an object is placed in a closed region, they look more related to each other. Let's understand with an example. In the picture given beside, there are 4 columns of light blue color circles. But the first 2 columns are looking more related to each other because they are placed in the closed region. In the darker color circles also, the first 2 rows are looking more related to each other because they are placed in the closed region. If we observe carefully, the space between the last 2 columns of circles are same. However, still, because the first 2 rows of circles are kept in the closed region, they are looking more related to each other. The next principle of Gestalt theory is continuity. This principle states that the element or things which are placed on a line or a curve seems to be more related than the element which are placed randomly. Let's understand with examples. In the first image, the dots on the line or a curve are of 2 colors, but they still look related to each other because they are not placed randomly. Similar is the case in the second image and the third image. The dots being of a different color still look related to each other because they are placed on the line or a curve. This CNN logo is designed on the principle of continuity. In the logo of Amazon also, the curved line is used to show the relation between A and Z. This is also designed on the principle of continuity. The next principle of Gestalt theory is closure. This rule states that whenever we look any complex arrangement of elements, we tend to find some recognizable pattern from it. For example, the image given below is just a cluster of some dots. However, it's a tendency of humans to find some recognizable pattern in that cluster. Hence, this cluster of dots is looking like an image of a dog. Let's see with another example. This is a logo of NBC. The elements used in this logo look similar to a peacock. They look similar because of the principle of closure. Let's see the last principle of the Gestalt theory, that is symmetry or order. This principle states that whenever an element is symmetrical, they are perceived as the same group or related to each other. In the picture given below, these 2 cups are arranged in a symmetrical manner. Hence, they are looking related to each other. Symmetry gives feeling of order and solidity. It's a human tendency to choose order over chaos. This principle gives us the importance of balance in a composition. In this image, we see 3 pairs of opening and closing brackets. These 2 brackets are in proximity with each other. However, our eyes quickly finds the brackets which are in symmetry and order. This also suggests that symmetry takes precedence over proximity. Symmetry is a very effective communication tool. However, the arrangement of elements can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. So these were the important 6 principles of Gestalt theory. First is figure and ground, second is similarity, proximity or common region, continuity, closure, symmetry and order. Later on, other principles were also developed like parallelism, common fate or synchrony, uniform connectedness, and focal point. Let's just briefly discuss these terms. Parallelism. Parallelism suggests that any element which are parallel to each other and pointed in the same direction seems related to each other. Common fate and synchrony means that the elements which move similarly looks related to each other. Uniform connectedness means that elements which are linked or connected looks related to each other. Focal point is used to emphasize any element in the work of art. So these were the principles of Gestalt theory. Thanks for watching the video. To encourage us, please click the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Bye. Take care.